I'm Jyoti, and I can see everybody bright and beautiful today, very fresh, waiting for the event to go on. Are you all ready for the day? Yes? So can we have a big applaud for the day and for all of us? Wow, that's beautiful. Thank you so much, everybody. And before we move on, I would first like to thank especially all the sponsors of this show, the event, and thanking all of you all, each and everyone, for coming to this event. And I hope it is a great, successful event by the day. And let me now invite on stage the National Co-Convener of BJP IT Cell, Mr. Vineet Goenka, the Chief Guest of to come and inaugurate the conference. So, Mr. Vineet, please. And can we have a big hand for him?
From Domain X, I was thinking that what is this and why should I visit here? And I remember Shakespeare who said, what's there in the name? Naam mein kya rakha hai? And then then somebody met me yesterday and he said he has 20,000 domains. And then I was understanding the economical value of that. And all of a sudden, I thought that this is a global identity which we get. Domain is nothing but a global identity, and it also gives us a lot of real estate. And I was talking to Thomas there and understood that what is. Friends, I'm here to inaugurate this year, not to speak on the part of the government or BJP, because elections are over and I don't really want to make this political. I'm here to learn from you, what are your issues, what are the challenges which you are facing as an entrepreneur. Please feel free, let us know about it. What I've learned yesterday is the service tax issue which is there. The challenges which you face with the global partners which you have. Let us know the issues which you face in internet, the connectivity, the accessibility, the speed, the cost of it, the infrastructure part of it. My role is to understand your problems, pen them down, and then to educate our ministers, to tell them what we need in the industry. I'll try my best to do that, and let me wish you all a fantastic day for the forward. Let us all come together. Before I leave the stage, I would just like to recall a small poem which I heard from Rabindranath Tagore's books. I can't pronounce Bengali properly, but being married to a Bengali, she always told me that poem, and which was Chittu Jetha Bhai Shunne. Some Bengali person is here, he could probably, sir, can you pronounce it for us? Yes, can you just come on the stage? Because it's a fantastic poem, and that tells me, I'll try to send that to the organizers, and where the entire meaning of the 4 lines is where the head is held high, and where we can work fearlessly. अगर आप बंगाली में बताएंगे तो मैं उसका इंग्लिश मीनिंग बता दूंगा. हाँ.
चित्तो जेथा भय शून्य, उच्च जेथा शीर. Where the soul is fearless, where the head is high. चित्तो जेथा भय शून्य, उच्च जेथा शीर, ज्ञान जेथा मुक्त, means where the knowledge is free. Jetha griher prachir, the wall of the homes, apon prangon tole divasho sorbori, boshudhare rakhe nai, khondo khudro kori, means the walls of the home has not divided the world in small little pieces.
Fantastic. So this particular thing, there is one line which is free. Thank you.
There's some more. Actually, he's saying these kind of things. Jetha bakkor hidayer utsho mukh hote, uchchoshia uthe. Means, from your heart, the sentences comes very spontaneously and naturally. Jetha nirbarito srote, deshe deshe, dishe dishe, kormo dharadhai, অজস্র সহস্র বিধ চরিতার্থদায়. Means from the work, the energy goes from your soul, from your mind to everywhere in the world. নিজ হস্তে নির্দয় আঘাত করিপিত ভারতেরে সেই স্বর্গে কর জাগরিত. Means he is praying, O God, O Father, please make India that dreamland, that heaven, by making ruthless strike on us. Okay?
Thank you. So the whole idea, if you see in this poem, there is one line, Gyan Jathe Mukta, where the knowledge is free. And when I interpreted this, the free is not the muft wala free, not the muft wala free, but the mukt, the freedom wala free, the mukt wala. And when I was talking to you all yesterday evening and today, when I was talking to a couple of them, I felt like what a fantastic society you are. You are a group of people where the knowledge has just been transmitted. So I request you all to come together, help me, help my party, help my Prime Minister to fulfill our dream. And let us make this country one of the powerful countries. Let us assure our next generations to come that we will not face the challenges which we have faced. So thank you for calling me here, giving me an opportunity to interact with you. I'll be here in the day. You can always come. Let me know what problems are there. I'll try my bit. Thank you once again.